Two marketing heavyweights, Brevo versus Klaviyo. One big question, which one really delivers? On the left, Brevo, effortless, unified marketing for every business. On the right, Klaviyo, e-commerce-centric, data-driven marketing automation. Let's skip the buzzwords and get to the real stuff. Each category earns points, so at the end, you'll see exactly who comes out on top. The result might surprise you. So check this out. I've mapped out the categories we're going to compare. Pricing, e-commerce features, integrations, automation and personalization, multi-channel marketing, customer support, and ease of use. Let's jump into each one so you can really see how these platforms stack up. All right, first up, let's talk pricing. And honestly, this one makes a huge difference for most people. Brevo does this cool volume-based pricing. You're only paying for the emails you actually send. Plus, the free tier, you get 300 emails per day, and you can have up to 100,000 contacts. Yes, really. Oh, and support is available on every single plan, which is not what you see everywhere. There are some extra costs for things like SMS or WhatsApp credits, but honestly, it's still super generous. Now, Klaviyo, they've got a free plan too, for up to 250 contacts, and you get tons of features even when you're just starting out. But as your contact list grows, pricing jumps up pretty quick. And there's that whole compliance thing, which, let's be real, might randomly bump up your bill. When it comes to the best bang for your buck, Brevo is clearly ahead here. Next, e-commerce features. And this is where things get spicy, especially if you're selling online. With Brevo, you get simple product integration for emails and basic revenue tracking. That gets the job done, but honestly, no AI-based recommendations, and you don't get those deep analytics about customer purchase behavior. But now, Klaviyo, oh man, they basically live and breathe e-commerce. You've got Shopify, WooCommerce, Magento, BigCommerce, and their AI just jumps in with personalized product recommendations, predictive analytics like lifetime value, churn risk, and the next order. Sure, it's got a learning curve, but if you want serious e-com muscle, Klaviyo is king here. Up next, integrations. So Brevo's got more than 150 digital tool integrations, CRM, CMS, the basics, which is pretty versatile if you need to connect stuff and get rolling fast. But don't expect deep data tracking. It's mostly keeping things simple and synced. Now, Klaviyo goes wild here with 350 plus integrations, especially geared toward e-commerce and marketing tech. What's cool is how you can sync behavioral data and target audiences for ads. So it's really next level. But heads up, it's definitely more complex to set up and manage. This round, Klaviyo has the upper hand if you like to nerd out with integrations. Quick pause. Here's a fun fact. Brevo used to be called Sendinblue. So if you thought you recognized the vibes, that's why. And Klaviyo? They actually automate campaigns for some of the world's coolest direct-to-consumer brands. Let's dive into automation and personalization, which is basically what makes marketing fun these days. Brevo's got a visual journey builder, triggers, actions, even webhook stuff. So it covers all your basic email, SMS, WhatsApp automations. But I gotta say, if you want to personalize based on what worked before, or use AI, you'll find it a bit limited. Klaviyo is much more loaded. Tons of retail-first templates, real segment-level personalization, AI-driven product recommendations, even sending emails at optimal times. Some setups take time, sure, but the options? Klaviyo's got this one locked down. Moving on, multi-channel marketing. If you want a unified, super simple dashboard for all your marketing channels, email, SMS, WhatsApp, push notifications, live chat, Brevo is almost too easy. It's all right there with a really approachable user experience, and you get all those channels by default. There's less depth per channel, maybe, but if you need to run marketing everywhere fast, this is awesome. Klaviyo is strong with SMS and email integration, and you can do WhatsApp and push, but web push? You'll need a third party. Plus, no live chat and the dashboard's not fully unified. So for sheer accessibility across multiple channels, Brevo definitely takes this category. All right, let's talk about customer support. Brevo gives you 24/7 support. Chat, phone, email, doesn't matter which plan you're on, even free. People rave about their quick responses too, especially if you hate waiting around. Klaviyo gives you email, in-app help, and a decent knowledge base. And if you're a big spender, you get a dedicated account manager. But The kicker is, free users only get support for their first 60 days. So if ongoing, instant help matters to you, Brevo's the one. Last category, ease of use. Brevo is super beginner-friendly. The setup's quick, and the drag-and-drop editor honestly feels intuitive, even if you've never built a campaign in your life. If you're a marketing wizard, though, you might want more control. Klaviyo gives you all kinds of editors. Drag and drop, advanced HTML, plain text. It's super flexible, but, full transparency, it comes with a steeper learning curve. For getting started and not pulling your hair out, Brevo wins here. And just to give you a visual, here's how both platforms look side by side on all those categories. You can really see where each one pulls ahead, especially with Brevo on ease and value, and Klaviyo nailing those pro e-commerce and automation features. So here's my take. Brevo is perfect if you're just starting, you want an affordable multi-channel platform, and you don't want headaches with setup or support. Klaviyo, though, is a total powerhouse if you've got an e-commerce business, need deep segmentation, or want all that AI jazz. Basically, Brevo feels built for SMBs and startups, and Klaviyo's for folks ready to scale online. If this Brevo versus Klaviyo breakdown helped you out, let me know. And hey, if you want more candid MarTech reviews and the freshest platform updates, make sure to follow along. You won't want to miss what's coming up next.